Samuel Waxman Cancer Research Foundation has been a leader in developing a new approach to cancer treatment based on identifying the abnormal gene function that causes cancer and using this information to develop minimally non-toxic treatments. Our mission from the get-go was to identify how gene information breaks down and with that information go on to have very targeted treatments. This has been a 40-year mission. The Institute Without Walls was founded many years ago to enable scientists to work together, to bring research from one lab to the next lab in a rapid manner. The result is a profoundly effective program in advancing cancer research.
The foundation has given me and the people in my laboratory the freedom to explore areas that we had not previously thought about.
It allows you to leverage other support with the continued support of the Waxman to really take your ideas and concepts forward.
The technology and the advances in understanding how genes are not functioning allow us to change our concept of how to treat cancer. It's fair to say that not all breast cancers are the same, not all lung cancers are the same. They're quite different, and they're different in the gene abnormalities within each one. And we now have drugs to attack those problems in a very specific manner. That is the basis of what I call the cancer treatment revolution, and that is the basis of many years of research of identifying these abnormalities in gene functions that have enabled us to understand why cancer happens, why it can be treated more successfully, and hopefully sometime soon, how it can be prevented.
The Institute Without Walls has funded $100 million in cancer research, supporting more than 200 scientists across 3 continents.
From a personal point of view, I recognize the importance of collaboration many years ago in my work with people in Shanghai, where together we discovered a way to treat a form of acute leukemia with the concept of differentiation therapy, or a way to change genes function. Just think about it, a disease today that's 90 to 95% curable without chemotherapy. That's an example of the power of the foundation. It would not have happened without hard money coming in over a 30-year period. One of the great frustrations in treating cancer is it can come back. It can come back years later in the form of metastasis. Julio Aguirguizo, a professor at Mount Sinai at this time, but trained through many years with support of the foundation, has shown that cancer cells can go to sleep, evade all treatments, and now he's trying to work out why they can wake up, and he is now designing treatment with new concepts, new drugs to change the environment, in other words, prevent metastasis. This is a real product of the foundation, and it's remarkably exciting.
The secret sauce here is not just the support, but it's the colleagues that you interact with, and something magic happens from that.
The sad news is the incidence of cancer is increasing dramatically. It's a global problem. One of the major reasons is that people are living longer, and the longer you live, the better chance you have of getting cancer. So just imagine that the next generation or 2, unless we change that, have a better chance of getting cancer than me or you in this room. Something has to be done about that. So the foundation is taking this on as a major program and spearheading working relationships with the National Institutes of Health, specifically the National Cancer Institute and the National Institute of Aging. The foundation is actively involved in establishing partnerships with other foundations and governmental agencies to bring people working in aging together with people working in cancer. Such an example was recently established in China in my recent visit, where I spoke with the Minister of Health and others in government. They recognize that just as much as we have here, that cancer incidence is increasing and has to be understood and prevented, because if that continues, we'll only have a higher epidemic of cancer in the future. So this event is an exciting event. It brings young people together with people that know the foundation well. I'd like you to think about how you could contribute tonight. There'll be opportunities at all levels of giving. And I'd like you to think hard on how you could see this as an investment in your future. We are really working for you and we're working for your future.